A very welcome all of you in today's video. जैसा कि आपको पता है, the mains examination has started today. So civil service mains examination, which was supposed to happen in September, it has been started. The mains exam will go on from today till 17th. Okay, so I'll be coming in every paper and then I'll be analyzing the papers, the GS papers and the essay paper. Now coming to today's paper, आज का पेपर था essay. And essay is the most important paper, especially because essay is the most underrated paper. I need just 5 minutes of you. मुझे 5 मिनट दीजिए. I'll also discuss the essay. जो आज का essay जो मेंस का पेपर वो डिस्कस करूंगा. And I will tell you just some insight about how today's essay paper is, how it is and how it has been from the past few years trend. Now coming to the essay paper this year, so it was on very much similar and expected lines. और अभी हम देखते हैं essay paper क्या है. Now, as we can see, if you see the instructions, you have to write 2 essays. ठीक है, आपको 2 essay लिखने होंगे. And in those 2 essays, each essay will be of 1000 to 1200 words. Okay. So little bit about the essays. So आपको 2 essay attempt करने हैं. Essay 1 from section A and essay 2 from section B. And you'll have to write 1000 to 1200 words in essay 1. And similarly 1000 to 1200 words in essay 2. That means total you have to attempt 2000 to 2400 words, and the time duration for essay is 3 hours, that is 180 minutes. Now that means for every essay you get 90 minutes, and so 90 minutes for essay 1 and 90 minutes for essay 2. Now before writing essay, let's analyze the topic. Now, first thing first, how essay paper this time is different from the last time or past few years? Well, if you look at the trend, almost since 2015 onwards, what we are looking at, that earlier we used to attempt 1 essay, but now 2 essays are there. Hence, you have to have a better writing speed, better planning, and better execution. I remember when I gave mains in 2010, हमें एक ही essay लिखना होता था. But now you have a 2 essay. It is good also, and it is challenging also. The good thing is that you can score, if you do average in 1 essay, you can do well in other essay. And also the chances of getting higher score in 2 essays is better. Now coming to the section A. Now if you look at section A, the topics, the 4 essay topics, and these are 4 topics. Let's quickly look at them. They are mostly from philosophical background. They do not from current. That means you have to do a lot of thinking and analysis. Life is a long journey between being human and being humane. So human being, the day we are born, we become human being. And being humane means probably that you should become good human being with compassion, with sympathy, with empathy. And it's going to be a good essay. You have a lot of fodder, I believe. And any person who thinks, who has his own set of understanding, who introspects, can write wonderful essay in this topic. A very wonderful topic, very apt in current context when the society is getting materialistic and there are so many things. Similarly, the second topic is the Mindful Manifesto is the catalyst of the tranquil self. Mindful Manifesto एक किताब भी है. It is there. There's a book also on Mindful Manifesto. It is written by Dr. John T. And it was in, so maybe from that it has been taken. The essay topic 3, ships do not sink because of water around them. Ships sink because of water that gets into them. Again, a topic which is thought-provoking, a topic which requires you to think, understand, link with current, and very relevant topic, I would say. The fourth one is simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. Okay, now it's a tough essay for me, especially because we have limited data, limited stuff to write on such topics. But definitely you can link with things and you can make it more. Now, if you ask me that which is the essay I'll attempt, well, my guess is that most students will choose essay 1. The life is a long journey between human being and being humane. So if I have to attempt as an aspirant, I will choose essay 1 as a topic, which I can do more justice in comparison to other topics. Now that is section A. Now coming to the section B. Now section B is an easy one, and section B is very much related with your GS syllabus if you look at. And the first is the culture. very culture is what we are, civilization is what we have. So people who have read NCRTs, class 11th NCRT, fine arts, art and culture. Art and culture is there in ancient, modern, and ancient history, medieval history, modern history. Civilization is also, if you read Indian society NCRTs, you must be having a lot of fodder. So again, a very basic topic you can write. Students from history background, a little word of caution here. Now, since you feel that you know this topic, you might go technical. Don't go technical. Write a general essay because it's an essay. Now, topic number 2, wonderful topic, and this is a topic which I would go with that. There can be no social justice without economic prosperity, but economic prosperity is with economic prosperity without social justice is meaningless. Wonderful topic, an easy one, but remember, you have a lot of fodder in your GS papers because social justice is a part of GS paper 2. Social justice, economic growth, development, welfare, sustainable development, current context, historical background, 21st century, 20th century, before than that, the idea of social justice, how it evolved. So it has good amount of data that you can have. But remember, it is more about your own view and opinion about the essay. So for me, hands-on essay 2 is something that I would suggest most students. I would choose as a student if I write the mains essay. और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि यूपीएससी में मैक्सिमम लोग इसी को करेंगे. The third one, patriarchy is least noticed yet most significant structure of our social inequality. Now, patriarchy, again, girls might write this, but remember, you have to write a balanced approach. Patriarchy is very much there. It's a part of our social system, and it is one of the social malaise of the society. Society ka ek problem hai, patriarchal society, or that is men-dominant society. But again, you have to write a balanced answer. I've seen a woman getting emotional and writing so much that it kind of creates a one-sided view. So you have to write a balanced approach. And fourth, again, a temptive one, because in the current context, it has been in news. Technology as a silent factor in international relations. Now, ये current से जुड़ा हुआ है. If you look at in the past 2 years, a lot of technological evolution have happened in the science and technology, and especially in the new kind of warfare that we might witness in the coming years. If you remember, the microwave warfare was there. Recently, the discussion happened that how even COVID-19, a lot of people say, though it is a conspiracy theory, COVID-19 is also like a biological warfare. So you can discuss, and you have a lot of fodder. If you have read science and tech well, you have fodder. But think from a general perspective, and that is how the essay should be. So these are these are the section B essay. You can attempt any of them. But I would say, if you look at what is the level of the paper, मैं कहूँगा paper average है. You can attempt, but remember, it is not about the paper. It is about your own understanding, how well you are able to communicate, because essay is a test of your personality. और एक अच्छा essay लिखने के लिए आपको अच्छी planning की आवश्यकता होगी. You should, and I would say all the students, the real aspirant, they should attempt these one full 3-hour essay test in the coming week. आप एक week में आप जो है essay को attempt करिए, sit down and write for 3 hours, and that is how you can ensure that your essay writing practice goes on. So thank you very much for your time and patience, and I believe कुछ insight आपको मिला होगा, and I'll be coming and discussing other papers also. GS 1, 2, 3, 4 भी मैं discuss करूँगा in the current context. Okay, so thank you very much. Take place.